Hello guys, welcome back to another video tutorial. For today's video is how to use Excel for financial analysis and reporting. It's just pretty quick and simple, so let's go. Excel is a versatile tool that can be used for financial analysis and reporting. And here are the some steps to follow. And first thing you're gonna do is open up Excel. And as you can see here, there are readily template that is available for you for financial analysis and reporting. So let's check like this one, business financial plan. It estimates your sales forecast and expenses by creating a financial plan. With this Excel business financial plan template, this accessible template for a business plan provides an example of business financial plan spreadsheet for a new coffee shop, including a sample costing data and formulas. We have also this one, profit and loss statement. Organizing your business finances is easier with this accessible tabulated profit and loss template. Enter data on your sales, income, expenses, and taxes in the profit and loss statement template, and totals are calculated automatically. The profit and loss statement template calculates your current gross margins, return on sales, and overall summary. Income statement, 1 year. You can use this example income statement template as a guide to help you create an in-depth financial statement. An income statement, also known as profit and loss statement, shows revenue expense over a period of 1 year, along with the balance sheet and cash flow statement, and the income statement is one of the 3 basic financial statements. Use this accessible income statement template to create professional income statement. And there's a lot more template to use for financial and reporting. So we will open this one. So let's create. As you can see on this left upper side, there is a note with it. So you can enter the details like sales in the cell D6 and 7, cost in sales, and expenses and other income in the cell. And it will automatically computed for you. It's just same with other templates, like for example, let's open this business financial plan. So there's a note with this start, and you can open other tabs and just read and learn how to use the template. So that's it. I hope that you learned something and this video helps. And if you have any questions or comments, kindly put it in the comment section below, and make sure to subscribe and like to our channel. Thanks!